145 of my constituents have signed the main petition that's being discussed today, and a proportionate number the others, and it's important that they have the opportunity to hear their voices heard. They and all of us were joining in the 10 weeks of the clapping for carers, but all recognise, as others have said, that clapping is not enough. There must be action, and they've demonstrated that by signing these petitions. And that's why it's so important that the healthcare and social care workers, whether in the NHS or the private sector, have the pay and benefits that they and their families deserve for the work they do to keep us all safe. And that includes healthcare workers that have made their home here in Scotland, even if they began their lives or careers elsewhere. So while we welcome the scrapping of the NHS surcharge, or the principle of scrapping it, it doesn't appear to have happened in practice yet, and perhaps the Minister can tell us when it will come into effect, because we're still hearing of healthcare workers being told by the Home Office that the surcharge is still payable and there is no guarantee of a refund. In too many cases, the hostile environment continues despite all these warm words, and even in the middle of the pandemic we see cases of NHS staff being told they're no longer welcome. I think, Madam Deputy Speaker, that many in the NHS and social care would echo the words of the Declaration of Arbroath. It is not for glory, nor honours, nor riches that they fight. But that doesn't mean that they don't deserve them. And when all of this is over, we have to make sure that they are properly rewarded and recognised.